Alright guys, so in the last video I showed you how I built this cabinet from a IKEA TV console. I chopped off the top and I chopped off the edge to make it 2 drawers instead of 3. So now I have some remnant parts and the third drawer. And what I want to do with those remnant parts in the third drawer is to make my sitting wall with it. My sitting wall, my bathroom sitting area, bathroom toilet area like I used to have in my old thing. So I'm going to build it right over here. I'm going to build it here, and this drawer is too big, so I'm going to have to chop that down too. But I'm going to build it right here so it'll be storage where I can pull out the drawer and access things underneath it. You know, before I had a lid to go over the top. So I'm going to try a drawer this time and see how that goes. Okay, so what I did was I built this little platform right here for my drawer. I had to cut it down because the drawer is just too big as it was. So I'm going to, I'll cut a toilet seat hole right here eventually. This goes here. And the drawer, you can see I had to cut it down. I may just leave that, or I might center it. I don't know. We'll see. So there, let me show it to you. All right, so that's the way it looks in here. Comes out. Nice, cleaner storage. My previous one on this side I had to lift up. So we'll see. We'll see what I plan to do in the future, but I'm going to need to cut the toilet seat out. All right, there's the pattern I'm going to cut. Okay, I just jigsawed out the hole. All right, so here I have the cover. This top matches the top that I have on my counter, so I think it looks pretty nice. And I'm going to put hinges on it, but I don't have it right now. But anyways, it'll open up like that and it'll expose my toilet. So that's it for now.